Rolling. What's up, folks? This is just a bonus video, okay? Someone asked me, I've had a couple different questions about this. What happens if you buy a used Shinobi and it has a different language on it, right? So check it out. Okay, so here you are in the Shinobi, right? You got to hit monitor. You want to hit it again so you clear out all this stuff, right? Once all that's cleared and your monitor's clear, come over here, hit the settings button, info. It's, and I know it'll be in a different language, but it's going to be all the way to the left. Right down here, this is what you want to hit. That says factory reset. That little button right there. See that? Factory reset. Tap that, and you're good to go. You can totally reset your Shinobi, put it on English or French or whatever language you are. All right, folks, tune in. I have an awesome review video coming up soon. Peace!